Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn an easy way to create a form in MS Access. Form help us to enter a data in MS Access table. So let's see how to create a form in MS Access. Open MS Access and create one table. I already create a table here. Right click and then open. You can see my table is available here. Now select this table and click on create tab. You can see form option available here. Click on form. Now you can see this dialog box. This is a form layout view, but our target is to create a form for entering a data. So you can see view tab button is activated here. Just click on view button and select form view option. Now you can see my cursor is blinking inside a form box. Bottom side you can see navigation bar. With this navigation bar you can navigate your record of your table. But I want to enter one more record, so set your cursor end of the record and press this next button one more time of navigation bar. Now set cursor inside a box and write down the record, and you can see it's very easy to enter a record and create a form in MS Access. Now press previous button and next button, so you can see my new records is entered here. Now how to save a form? Just click on this cross button. They ask you, do you want to save change to the design of form admin table? We can say yes. They ask you form name, so I write here form name like form 1 and then click OK. So my form is ready here. You can see the icon of the form. Please memorize this icon so you can easily identify the table and a form. Now next point is how to create a report. After entering a data in a table, after creating a table, our final target is generate a report. So once again select a table and then click on create button. Right hand side you can see report button is available. Click on the report and your report is generated like this. Once again, now I want to save this report. Just click on cross button. They ask you, do you want to save change to the design of report admin table? We can say yes. They ask you report name. I just give a report name here, report 1, and then click OK. So you can see left side panel report also generated. So please identify the icon of table, form and report. So see, it's very easy to create a form and create a report in MS Access. If still you have a doubt how to create a form and how to create a report in MS Access, please see this video 2-3 times to clear your doubt. Please give like to my video and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.